Dust of Snow. It is a beautiful poem by Robert Frost. It's a very small poem. So I would read into the poem first. We have one more poem by Robert Frost. We shall see that later. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. By Robert Frost. So now the poet is going on some along some way, and he must be lost in some thought of regret. Rude, the day he had rude means the day is not very fruitful. He is not happy about the day. He is not blissful about the day. But day is rude. It is held in regret, and he is perhaps lost in some thoughts. There is always constant train of thoughts in our mind that keeps us anchored to the some sad realities of some sad things of the life, and that's how we just go from day to day. But this poem is about how something there is some jolt, and that pushes the poet into the present moment, and somehow the train of thought is stopped, and he looks at the present, he looks at the reality and nature around him, and the rest of the day is not that regretful. It is actually, I think it is blissful, happy, and it is saved. The day that is spent happy is the day saved, and the day that is the time that is spent with regret is not the day that is spent very good. But what has saved his day? That he is going along the way, and it must be snowing here and there, and somehow he is lost in his thoughts. And the crow is sitting on some hemlock tree. The crow is not a very beautiful animal, nor the hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is even a poisonous tree. You know how Socrates was poisoned by the tree. So even the crow is not beautiful, the hemlock tree is not, what is not beautiful, but both have saved his day. So what has saved his day? It is the jolt. It is something that brings him into the present moment, and it is his attitude towards the things, that the day that is spent in the present moment, that must be the happy part. And when we are just lost in thoughts, and that are very unfruitful part, the regret is unfruitful, because gone is gone. So whatever brings you to the present moment, it can be even a crow that is sitting on the hemlock tree, and you can even visualize everything. It is so beautifully depicted. The crow is sitting on the hemlock tree, and he shakes the branch, and the dust of snow just falls, and just looking at that moment something happens, and the rest of the day is saved. Some part of the day, that is the remaining part of the day, is saved. So this is the poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. I hope you will like it. You will read in between the lines, and although it is small, it is full of lot of meaning. And that's it. Then next we will see the Fire and Ice.